Ning ano. With okay. Gayunon, Vin. Gayunon, Jin.
Uli ko tamalita sa ruan.
Akala ko ni. Did you know that I'm already late? Oh my god.
Okay na mga boss. Parang man kami ganito itong inot magpangakbanga. Maganda sinuserve talaga na. Ay, naka-video pala niya. I-mute mo man guide niya.
Dai.
Dahil,
Dai.
share
Nasa
and like ng page ko, Kalokohan ko guys.
Lucky so. 2, 4, 5, 6, 10. So today is Tuesday and I have my accounting classes which is 2 to 4. So I'm on my way na. Pasakay ko ni Jeep. Walang tao. Pero I really appreciate the beauty, the hair, the outfit, the bag. And the things. Thank you.
One eternity later.
Mag-charge ka pa, guys.
One eternity later.
Tapos na ako sa subsequent measurement. Hadi ko mabalance pala. But it's fine. Tutok man yan sa aga. Diba kita, G? Iyo, hindi maasikaso na kita 3:29 na. I think so. Maka nang ganap mo yan.
Sabi ko may misa pa man 5 to 6.
Iyo, 5 to 6. Saan pa siya? Shoutout sa friend ni Angel. Sino siya?
Marian, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marian. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday ni Marian?
Ikwara.
Unta na lang siyang, happy birthday to you. Feeling yan siya. Ikaaga na lang ang name niya, digdi. Or kaya ang mukha ni Marian, i-edit out mo dyan. Hindi masimba kita. Tapos after kan, may ganap ka mo. Wow! Congrats sa aming civil engineer. Wow! Ano ka pala?
Pa-activity to na nga answeran ko.
Yeah, iba talaga itong magpe-pensan na ito. Yung isa naming pensan, ayun, lalayas-layas siya. Walang trabaho.
Lies, sinners.
Guys, it's afternoon already. Siguro mga 4:40 na ng hapon ngayon. And I just wanted to share na we are going to church as I mentioned or we mentioned ng cousin ko kanina. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung aking fit for today. It's a gray top and a skirt. Long skirt yan siya. As you can see naman, naka-slippers pa ako because I'm not wearing the sandals that I'm going to wear. But it is still yung Micaela shoes na binigay sa akin ng boyfriend ko. So, thank you, love. So, let's appreciate the beauty of my makeup for today. So simple pero parang, wow. Parang may ganun, yung parang may kabog na ganun. And of course, I just wanted to share that, as you can see, I'm not wearing any glasses because I'm wearing contact lenses. Yung mga nakalistados ako na hindi naman talaga ako nag-English totally, you know. I'm just so fan ng mga vlogger na, alam mo yun, parang, kung ano yung napapanood mo, parang, yun din yung innate. No, parang pinapasok mo within. Kung ano yung nai-inspire sa'yo, parang you become what you inspire. So, excuse me na lang po talaga guys for answering it. So, yun guys. I hope I'll see you later at the church. You know, all mag-film doon. So. Oh, we're walking in. Chill. Eh. Yeah, check. Yeah. Woo. Sino ka dyan, boy? Naka-loafers yan. Huwag kayo. Reps! Check. Eh, sino ka dyan?